Gosh, that was frustrating. What if I told you could lose this important sense by taking antibiotics? This man right here, known for his strength and valor, was defeated by a single pill. Codeine, once a commonly prescribed painkiller, resulted in the death of an infant. Logically, these drugs seem to be bad drugs, right? Well, not exactly, because it depends on the person. Our job isn't done after we swallow a pill. Drugs are broken down in the liver by enzymes to be excreted from the body. Okay, but how does that make this process subjective to you? In our mRNA sequence, we have something called introns and exons. Exons are the genetically useful bits, whereas introns are useless and employ spliceosomes to remove them. Various sequences of this exon produces different proteins. Genetic variations could affect the way you produce these proteins, in turn affecting the way you metabolize drugs. Let's imagine a grater. If you have bad eyesight like me, you would probably use this to make carrot juice. The carrot is the drug, codeine in this case, the grater is the liver. The groove-sharp surface is the enzyme that metabolizes it. Person A would have a fair amount of grooves on his grater, giving him an adequate amount of juice. Person B would have more than the required number of grooves, giving him more than the required amount of juice. Person C would have fewer grooves, so he would obtain less juice. But these differences need not only occur in the way we produce enzymes. Aminoglycoside, a class of antibiotics responsible for killing bacteria, shouldn't be consumed by people with empty RNR1 variations. The empty RNR1 gene encodes for the 12S rRNA in sensory hair cells. Variation in this gene could cause the rRNA to be similar to the 16S rRNA responsible for protein production in bacteria, which the antibiotic specifically targets. The antibiotic targets both 12S and 16S rRNA, leading to potential hearing loss. To combat all this, we must start implementing genomics into our pharmaceutical practices. Taking genetic testing to assess one's genome to prescribe the right medicine at the right dosages will save money and remove the trial and fail method, because we aren't lab rats. So I guess your mom was right, you really are special that way.